So
Nature report.
Nature report. We are looking for a frog skeleton, and there we couldn't find it. We didn't find it yet, but I'm sure we will find it.
All right, let's go look.
Your turn.
And I'll say, our next.
See any frogs?
Nope.
No skeletons?
Nope.
All right, let's check somewhere else.
Report. Nature report.
What are we looking for over here?
We're looking for fly skeletons and spaghetti and turtles. There's another two right here. Report. Try to find some fly skeletons. Nature report. So we found some fish bait and we rubbed it on the rock, and we're gonna throw the fish bait in and see if we can find any frogs or fish. Watch.
Thanks for watching Nature of Things.